So what we've done is this is the master bedroom, and we've set the main amplifier BioBlaster in the master bedroom. We've mounted it on a large stand which will keep the ozone output high in the air. Since ozone is heavier than air, that'll help it be distributed from the highest points of the room, and it'll settle all the way downward. We're also going to be pressurizing the entire structure with the main bedbug blaster machine coming in from the downstairs entrance door. We're going to walk you through and show you the other placements that we've done in this upstairs area to show you how we've covered all of the bedrooms with the amplifier machines and what we're doing with the pressurizing machine down below. The second bedroom, and we're doing a bedbug treatment. We've got again the secondary amplifier machine. It's on a large stand keeping the ozone high in the air, and we're going to show you how we've laid it out to cover the entire rest of the upstairs area. This is a large open air area over the stairs with the last small bedroom and the bathroom. So we put our third amplifier machine in this area, guaranteeing massive amounts of ozone are created. And the downstairs pressurizing machine is going to take all of this amplified ozone and force it into all the nooks and crannies of our system on a 1,200 square foot unit. Now 1,200 square feet is the smaller end of the rating system for the bedbug system, which we designed to treat up to a 3,000 square foot structure. And we're not going to use the large bedbug machine today to pressurize the structure. We're going to use it as an amplifier machine on the first floor and to increase the air circulation of the ozone during the treatment. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to pressurize the structure with the smaller of the bedbug machines, giving us just a few inches of positive pressure, which is all we'll need to force this gas into all the nooks, crannies, and crevices where the bacteria, viruses, and all the bugs hide.
I'm Marty Marcos from the island of Kauai, and I'd like to tell you about our ozone generators that Charles has brought to us. It's a great product. We actually did our house here, and our house turned out terrific. We came in here and don't know exactly how many parts per million, but we did have a blue haze in our home. Our home is different. It feels cleaner. My son did a test where he put out different clothes and articles that smelled like smoke, smelled like coffee. My daughter works at Starbucks and her clothes smell like coffee. He put out a shirt that smelled like BO. He put out things that had mold on it, and blankets, all kinds of things, and pretty much everything smelled nice and fresh. So we were real pleased with the way the ozone generators work. We also did a school. We went to Kahili Adventist School and we tested out the unit. I think there was great results because there was a room that had a whole bunch of mattresses. When we went back the next day, it was much fresher. Of course, there were some concerns about it, but I think that it worked what it needed to do. We're still testing out these units. I'm happy with them right now. We're going to be doing more of these beta tests for you, Charles, so I want to thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Aloha and mahalo.